The student makes the experience. I mean, any university that you go to, but especially NYIT. My name is Will Udo. My major is electrical and computer engineering. I'm in my master's program, and I go to New York Institute of Technology. Here at NYIT, for me, I learned that I love control systems, I love robotics, I love drones. So it's like you have the ability, you have the resources, and it's here for you to do. It's just you have to find out what you want to do and just hit the ground running. First year, freshman year, 2010 of fall, went right into my master's program. I've worked very hard to end up where I'll be in the next couple months. I'll be working for Boeing in Huntington Beach, California. I mean, I'll be honest, I killed the interview. I'm telling you, I'm really humble, but I'll be honest, I killed the interview. And it's just because I was confident, I knew that I should be in this program. I knew that I'm one of the best candidates. And so after 6 years of hard work in school, I end up where I want to be, so I'm really excited for this opportunity.